Hey guys, welcome to KG Live. I'm so pleased to show you the real pizza work day with fresh dough. So let's begin. I was so pleased to get shift at place where I worked before and made a video already. This time around, I didn't think twice and said yes straight away. I knew the place, I had awesome experience, and I did like a lot the people I work with. Surprisingly for me, in a good way, lots of things has changed since my last visit. They had new pizza chef and now they were doing freshly made pizza. Double happiness from my side as I was going to make my first fresh pizza ever. Good news didn't stop there, and I was going to make the dough myself as well. As the day before I arrived, the pizza chef got day off as well, as the venue experienced super busy day. The senior chef gave me the recipe and told me the steps. Let me know if you need me, he said. So I went to the pizza preparation kitchen and start making it. Pretty simple and straightforward, and if you know what you do, you shouldn't have any issues. Flour, yeast, water, sugar, salt. That is all the magic. After 10 kg of dough was ready, and I started folding the pizza and scaling the balls. Please note that I have passion about that. I have watched not one or two videos about dough, about pizzas, about preparations. On top of that, understanding about the heat and fermentation process of the dough itself. Normally the dough needs 24 hours to get ready. Sadly, this time around, we got 30-40 pizzas only, so that meant once I finish them, I have to use the mine I already made. Half of the batch went in the fridge, other half was waiting for me to take it when I need it. This is what happened. When the rush came, I collected it. Now is the time to say I was struggling a bit. I had some issues with stretching the pizza. Also the shape was changing constantly. It was a pure disappointment from my side. One of the seniors was coming and giving me hand once I start receiving 7-8 pizzas at a time. At the end, I did my best. I knew it, they knew it, so I went home with mixed feelings. Let me know what you think and have you experienced anything similar? Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Cheers.